Hello, friends. Welcome back. It's another biology review with Miss Bivens. This week in biology, we are reviewing cells and cell organelles. In this video, we will review cells, review cell organelles using art and advertisements. You can also record yourself reading the ebook to me and send it either through ESOL, Google Classroom, or just email it to me. Friends, it's good to practice reading English even during this break, and you can do that with me, and I won't share it with anyone, and we can practice together. Organelles are highly organized little structures that are inside each cell. First, listen to me read the following slides. Pause and repeat after me. Next, let's have some creative fun while learning the purpose, function of each organelle. Read each slide and respond with answers on your copy in Google Classroom. Slide 1 has been done for you as an example. By the way, this goes along with Miss Makehamson's assignment in Google Classroom for you this week. Amazing cells. All plants and animals are made of the same thing, cells. Your whole body is made of cells from your head to your toes. Some living things have only one cell. Other living things have many cells. Here it says word-wise, the word cell sounds the same as the word sell, as in inside a store when you sell something. This tiny living thing is made of just one cell. Too small to see. Cells are very small. We need help to see them. A microscope is a machine that makes small things look big. People use microscopes to look at things they cannot see with just their eyes. Here is a kid looking through a microscope. This is what some cells look like under a microscope. Tiny creatures. An amoeba is a tiny living thing. It is made of just one cell. You can only see an amoeba with a microscope. It looks like a blob of jelly. Foot. An amoeba is only as big as a grain of salt. It uses part of its cell called a foot to move. So many cells. Larger animals have many kinds of cells. Some cells are round and wide. Some cells are long and thin. Each cell has a job to do. Its size and shape help the cell do its job. Do you know there are about 200 different kinds of cells in the human body? Muscle cells, inner ear cells, blood cells. Blood moves to different parts of the body. Animals have red and white blood cells. Red blood cells are thin and can bend. They carry a gas called oxygen. White blood cells come in different shapes and sizes. White blood cells keep animals from getting sick. Red blood cells look like small circles. They can squeeze through small spaces. Some white blood cells get rid of germs in your body. Germs can make you sick. Germs. Skin cells. Skin cells are on the outside of the body. They are flat. Skin cells protect the rest of the body. Some animals have skin that can change color. Their skin is made of special cells. The animals can change its color to scare away other animals. Colorful skin cells can also help it blend in. We also call this camouflage. Some lizards have special skin cells that change color. Nerve cells. You may have heard your teacher say, "You're on my last nerve." This is where it comes from. Nerve cells can be very long. They send signals in the body. Animals use nerve cells to smell, hear, and see. Nerve cell. How a frog catches a cricket. Brain, nerve cells. Number 1, the frog sees a cricket with its eyes. Number 2, the eyes send signals to the brain. Number 3, nerve cells send signals from the brain to the legs. Number 4, the frog uses its legs to jump and catch the cricket. Do you know a single nerve cell can go all the way from a giraffe's head to its foot? Plant cells. Plants are made of many kinds of cells. Plant cells are different from animal cells. They have special parts that help them turn sunlight into food. Plant cells have thick covers on the outside. These covers make plant cells strong. With strong cells, some plants can grow very tall. All living things are made of cells. Look closely. These are leaf cells. And remember, when there's one, it's a leaf, but when there's a group, it's leaves with a V. Next, let's have some creative fun while learning the purpose or function of each organelle. Read each slide and respond with answers. Imagine that the endoplasmic reticulum is a smooth jazz or R&B band. The next slide is the cover for their latest album. Notice the jaguar print? That's for you, Cedar. Your task is to think about the function of the smooth ER, to create lipids to be used in the cell, and come up with some song titles for the band. Smooth ER. For example, example jams. Making lipids for you, baby. Lipid love. Makes me wonder, how many lipids are needed to fry some McDonald's French fries? Here's one. Smooth ER. Jams in your cells day and night. The next organelle, the Golgi apparatus, makes and supports proteins. The advertisement on the next slide is as if the Golgi apparatus were a fitness gym, like Gold's Gym. Your task, come up with some additional information to add to this advertisement. Try to be persuasive. Your gym, Golgi apparatus. What can you add here to better explain the function of the Golgi apparatus? What is the function of lysosome? Your task, create words that can accompany this advertisement on the next slide. Describe what the lysosome does in the cell and explain why it is so important. So here you're going to create the text to put here, or you can make a whole ad for it, lysosome. Mighty Mouse was a famous cartoon character long ago. He was known for his strength and for being helpful. Your task, look at the mighty mitochondria on the next slide. How would an announcer describe this character in your best boxer or wrestler announcing voice? What is the function of this organelle? There it is. There's the mitochondria. What can you do with it to make this an advertisement? Inside the cell, the organelles are immersed within a protein-rich jelly-like fluid called cytoplasm. Your task, make an advertisement for the cytoplasm jelly on the next slide. Here it is. Create text for this spot to explain the function. Or again, make a jingle or an icon or an ad or a logo to go with the cytoplasm. Okay, there you go. Here's ways to get in touch with me. My Esther Bivens, Bivens Kelly, or straight up email. I look forward to hearing you read to me and also to see what you create with your ads. Thank you.